Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Crunchyroll buffering constantly even in the middle of an episode you've already watched half of without any issue? Here's the fix. First, go to your settings, then go to Wi-Fi and confirm that you're connected with a strong signal since Crunchyroll recommends at least 3 Mbps of standard streaming and considerably more for HD. Toggle Wi-Fi back off and back on to refresh the connection. Next, go back in settings and go to general, scroll down and find VPN, then tap on it and then make sure that no VPN is turned on since a VPN adds an extra hot that increases latency and is a very common cause of buffering. Close every other extra app in your recent app list since background apps are the common issues and compete for bandwidth making buffering worse. If it's buffering, especially right after a big simulcast release, this is often software congestion on Crunchyroll's side during high demand windows rather than something on your end. Try again in an hour or manually set your video quality to 720p instead of auto from the playback screen to reduce the bandwidth needed. So all you've got to do is check your Wi-Fi strength, turn off any VPN, close background apps, try lower manual quality during peak hours, buffering clears up and that's it. Subscribe.